everybody, it's John with Salt, Pepper, and Fire, where we smoke meat, fly drones, and do all things neat. I really appreciate you stopping by the channel, and if you're new here, please consider giving me a subscribe, and just check out the content, see what you think about it. So today is a little bit of a different video. I am in a collaboration with the guy himself, El Duderino, Mike at Dude's Kitchen and Grill, and Patrick from Patty Joe Cooks. We will be cooking macaroni and cheese your way under the hashtag of Slack and Cheese. So stick around, let's get it. All right, so this is the ingredients for the cook today. I'll be using the elbow pasta. For my cheeses, I'll be using Gouda and mild cheddar. And I'll be using some heavy whipping cream. Add a little bit of sour cream there. And I'll be using the butter and the flour to start the jus to melt the cheese in. So stick with me and we will get these elbow noodles in the water. All right, first step, let's get our noodles in the water. And we will cook these close to done, not all the way. I don't want to use the proper term because this is a backyard cooking channel, but we'll cook them al dente. So we're gonna get these going and then I'll get the roux going. I'll bring you back for that part. All right, I'm gonna say these are done. I will take them off and drain them and we will move to the next step. Okay, let's get this cheese melted. We are gonna start by making a jus, like I said. So we'll start with a half a stick of butter. We'll get that in. Let it start melting down. All right, now that our butter is melted, we're gonna start adding our flour here. We'll just do it a little bit at a time. We'll go with a total of 4 tablespoons. Stir it and get all the lumps out. Good to use this whisk because it's really efficient at getting the lumps out. We'll start by adding about a cup of heavy cream. Whisk that in. Whisk and continue to make sure your mixture is real smooth here, no lumps. We'll add a little bit more. A total of 1.5 cups to 2 cups. All right, now we'll just start adding our cheese. All right, so this is what it looks like once we have our cheese sauce put with the noodles. Likely garnish this with a little bit more cheese, and we will head out to the smoker and I will meet you guys out there. All right, let's get this mac and cheese on the grill. All right, as you can see, I just got the mac and cheese on the Weber. I plan to let it go for about 45 minutes to an hour just to build some smoke. Then we will take it off and we will be ready to try it. So stick with me and I will get it off shortly. So the mac and cheese is finished. It looks great. And the only thing left to do is give it a taste. So let's see what we done. I call that a success. I want to thank you guys for watching. Please make sure you check out all the other channels under the hashtag of Slack and Cheese. Just want to thank Mike and want to thank Patrick again for the collaboration and the invite. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.